In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a contract for eSignature in Google Drive. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get a contract signed without leaving your browser. There are two common approaches: using Google Docs with the built-in eSignature feature, or connecting a third-party tool like DocuSign or Dropbox Sign. In this tutorial, we'll use the built-in option, which works best if you're on Google Workspace for Business or Enterprise. Start by getting your contract into Google Drive. Open Drive, then select New. From here, you can upload an existing contract in PDF or Word format, or create a brand new Google Docs file if you're starting from scratch. A quick tip: name your file clearly and place it in the correct folder so it's easy for your team to find later. Next, open the document in Google Docs. If you uploaded a PDF, right-click the file in Drive and choose Open With, then select Google Docs. This converts the PDF into an editable Google Doc so you can place signature fields. If you uploaded a Word document or created a Google Doc, just open it normally. After conversion, scan the document for layout shifts, page breaks, or spacing issues, and fix anything that moved. Now add your eSignature fields. In the top menu, click Insert, choose eSignature, and then select Request eSignature. Place your cursor near the signature line or wherever the signer needs to act before you open that menu, so the fields land in the right spot. You can add signature fields, dates, and text fields for items like titles or addresses. Leave enough space so fields don't overlap important content. When you're ready, add your signers. Enter the signer's email address and assign each field to the correct person. If multiple people need to sign, make sure every signature, date, or text field is assigned to the right recipient. Double-check email spelling before you send to avoid delays. When everything looks good, click Send Request. From there, the recipient will receive an email with a link to the document. They'll open it in their browser, follow the prompts to complete the required fields, and sign electronically. You'll be notified as soon as the signing is complete, and the finalized document will be saved back to Drive, so you always have the latest version. That's it. You uploaded or created your contract, opened it in Google Docs, inserted eSignature fields, added your signers, and sent the request. If you follow these steps, you'll have a clean, trackable workflow for getting contracts signed directly from Google Drive.